Did you know that 80 of websites make this mistake with number formatting? Numbers should display correctly for users in different countries to avoid confusion and errors. We'll learn how to format numbers properly for any language using JavaScript's built-in tools. This is what happens when you don't format numbers properly for different regions. Many developers just use to fixed, without considering the user's locale. We need a way to format numbers according to the user's language and region. JavaScript's International Number Format API does exactly this. It formats numbers for any locale. It takes a locale string and formatting options to create a formatter object. First, let's create a formatter for US English with currency style and USD currency. We set style to currency, specify USD as the currency, and require 2 decimal places. Next, we create a formatter for German using DEDE locale and Euro currency. Same options as before, but now it will format numbers for the German market. Now let's create a formatter for Japanese using JAJP locale and JPY currency. For Japanese, we don't need decimal places since JPY uses whole numbers. We'll use this number to test our formatters, 1234.56. First, let's format our number for US users with the US formatter. Now we'll format the same number for German users with the DE formatter. Finally, we'll format the number for Japanese users with the JA formatter. When we log these to the console, we see properly formatted numbers for each locale. For US users, we get 1234.56 with comma as thousand separator. For German users, we get 1.23456 with dot as thousand separator and comma as decimal. For Japanese users, we get 1235 with no decimal places and comma as thousand separator. Always use International Number Format for international applications to avoid formatting errors. Don't forget to set the correct currency for each locale to avoid incorrect symbols. We learned how to format numbers properly for different languages using International Number Format. Try implementing this in your next international project for better user experience. If this video helped you learn something new, hit the like button so more developers can see it. Subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. And comment below, did you already know about this?